Hey guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to do a canvas and we're going to do a dirty pour with a chain pull over the dirty pour. So let's get right to it. I have a 11 by 12 canvas here. I'm going to be adding my Liquitex Professional to each of my paint colors. And I'm using a metallic rose gold and just some white. I've got this really pretty purple velvet. And this is called Bluegrass Green. So I've already mixed my paint colors together and now I'm going to layer them in here in another cup. I've mix, make sure your additive is mixed really well with your paint. I'll layer to the purple first, then the rose gold, and the bluegrass green. That's a really pretty color. Wish I had gotten more of them. I just used the very last dab of that. And if you've watched any of my other videos, I am a huge fan of the metallic rose gold. I just think it is such a pretty color. And of course, when I do anything with purple, I can't help but think about my daughter. It's her favorite color. Okay, so this is going to be our base and this dirty pour, and I want to pour this. I'm going to pour this in little back and forth motions. It's not going to necessarily look like a lot right this second. But just kind of feed it back and forth. I like these colors together. I hope I don't regret saying we're gonna do a chain pull. I may not want to mess it up. Okay, I'm kidding. Gotta put on gloves. As you know, this gets a little messy, but that's okay. Somehow or another, I still end up with paint all over my hands, even with gloves on. I'm not real sure how that happens, but it does sometimes. This is acrylic paints, folks, and then my pouring medium is, of course, the Liquitex, as I said. So now let's get our base background done here. I want my entire piece covered. I'm just going to keep rotating it until we have the entire canvas done. See if I can. So far, I haven't had a whole lot run off, so that's working out pretty good there, but see if we can get just a little more out of that while I help these little edges a bit. Well, I think that I've gotten just about all the paint that I can scrape out of here. Well, except now I'm getting all the paint I can scrape out. Now, these colors look beautiful together. Really am liking that. I think I'm gonna have to switch gloves or I'll make just a ginormous mess. Bigger mess than, you know, what we normally make. So I've got this is just some little ball chain that I have. Okay, I initially was gonna use white as a contrast in this, but I did not like it at all, so I've tried to remove most all of it. So now, here is what I want to do. I've got my little chain. I'm gonna see if we can Okay, I'm going to start pulling this straight down through the middle. I had someone ask, if you make a bigger loop, will it make a bigger? Well, clearly it did. It also did not wrap underneath here like I thought it would. It seemed to, wrap a little better in the smaller. But I'm gonna come back because we've got, if I can ever find the end of my chain. There we go. So I have this blob right here, but I'm gonna come back in here with a little bit smaller loops, and I'm just loop, loop, loop back and forth. And I want to pull it towards the center here of where this one ended up. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe my chain because it's got, multi-colors on here now. And I just realized I should be doing this sideways for you guys. So let me see if I can move some stuff around and we can, I can get you a better view, hopefully here. Still going with the purple paint on my chain. Now I'm going to try, this will be very carefully to kind of right inside here. Oops. My reason is I love how this pattern turned out. It's kind of reminding me of like Painted Desert. I'm going to see if I can turn it one more time here for you guys. At this point, I am going to leave it there with the chains. What you get, the difference in the chain and using a string, the edge. It's going to come out, your edge is going to come out smoother with a string than these the little areas that we see right here. That's what you'll get with the chain. I like that, and I think it's cool to do them with both and get that different look and be creative with it and try different things with it. But I think this color combination, I'll be sure and put that in the link below, but I love the color combination and I'm really happy. Wish I hadn't put the white, but it's there. Maybe it'll give it a little, hopefully some sort of contrast there. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. So I hope you guys will give it a try. Hey guys, happy pouring. I hope you enjoyed this. I love the color combination, super happy with that. Anyway, I want to thank you again, guys, for all of your comments, and you guys that share, like, and especially you subscribers. I certainly do appreciate it, and I hope that you will continue to share the love and pour some paint. And whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, because you can do it. Have a great day.